We always wanted this indoor-outdoor kind of lifestyle. So we started with the house, and the next thing, which was more exciting to me, was actually getting the backyard going.
We knew that there was going to be an outdoor dining area. We knew there was going to be a bar. We knew there was going to be seating areas. We wanted a fire area. We knew of all the things that we wanted, but putting that together, it was like a Rubik's Cube, and we tried it 18 gajillion different ways, and we honestly just needed somebody else involved.
And when I handed those bajillion different ideas over to Jade at BBQGuys, it was almost like she was kind of reading both our minds at the same time.
Within minutes of first meeting the design team, you could tell that we were dealing with experts. From their product knowledge to just their knowledge around outdoor living in general, they just got it.
We could just throw out the wildest ideas to Jade, and she knew intuitively what worked. And not only did she know, but she had experts behind her around heating and where could we put the heater actually. So she was able to pull in a lot of expertise, but also just help us whittle down to the right ideas and get moving. It just never got to the point of making the right decisions because we were afraid to make the wrong ones. I was gonna build the entire bar myself with wood we took out of our house. So I was gonna have to plane every single piece. When Jade came in and said, we can get you a bar prefab with all the things you want, and it can be installed in a short amount of time, maybe an afternoon. It saved me so much time, so much money.
We've really taken the concept of outdoor living and actually had it be an extension of our indoor living. What was so cool about having those designs was like I could forward it to my mom.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
and she got so excited, and we would show our friends, and they would get so excited, and everyone could kind of see the potential and what was going to be. And I think that's probably how we got so much help, because people wanted to, like,
they were like,
see
you're
it.
building that?
And
I want to be part of that.
Yeah. With any project, there's always complexities that happen throughout. This project was no different. we had a lot of different things that came up along the way, and the team was so cool to just kind of flow with us in some of those challenges, and honestly turned those challenges into incredible opportunities.
You get the product expertise plus the design expertise, and it all comes together.
It was so collaborative. It made it very easy for us. And truly the product knowledge, I think, was huge because we don't know what we don't know. And of course we can do research, but there's nothing better than having a true expert just tell you, you know what, this one's better than that one, and here's why.
And we didn't have to shop and shop forever. We got to get a curated package of things that we really love. Bringing people together, community, having parties, music, all that kind of is part of it too. You know, it's not just about the place, it's about the people you bring into it.
Yeah.
It was worth all that hard work, wasn't it, honey?
Yeah.